Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. One day one tutorial. Now we are going to make a flyer. It is a media that you can use to promote your business, whether it is product or services. And let's start from the size. I'm going to put 1280 and 1980 as the size. So here you can pick a shape. I will choose a circle here and the color will be blue. Zoom in and then click copy. This time I would like to add a picture here, so let's download some pictures first, as it is about plumber service and products. So I'm gonna put some sanitary wires. Alright, let's pick one. You can adjust any kind of picture based on your preference and just adjust it. You can rotate it, you can flip it, whatever it is, just based on your preference. Or we can change to another picture, maybe like this. So click texture and remove and add the new picture. Will be like this. Rotate, adjust, zoom in, zoom out, just anything you want. But in case you are not satisfied, you can crop it first. So there's not too bad. I don't know. So you can add another shape. Maybe this one. You can give a stroke as the outline, like this. Make it bold, and then you can click the texture too. Texture here, I'm gonna put some pictures, so people will know what I'm offering through my products and services. First of all, I would like to put my brand, my logo of my company. In this case, it's one day one tutorial. I don't know, I would like to put the details, or short detail. This is my brand logo and the name of the company. Sanitary wares. This is the service that I'm offering. Let's pick blue as the background. And another shape with just circles. It will be big one, and the middle. And I'm gonna put it to back. Wow! Click to back, so it will be the background. And then for the background, I would like to choose the gradient color and texture for the shape. I would like to show some of my products as a preview, so people will know what I'm offering. So it's just like the samples. Maybe bathtub. Let's download this and then click and click the picture texture and click the picture and the one that you just downloaded. Let's make it square, and here you go, and put another text here. Would like to give details about what I'm offering from the company, from my business, and I would like to put my address so people will know where to visit once they want to use my products or services. It's like this. Make it small. You can enter it just in case it's okay. Make it small. You can make it as small as possible as long as it is readable. So as long as you can read it, just go ahead. Okay. And another text. I like to give the motto or the tagline or the point of my company under my logo. It says product and services provider. Okay, let's put it here. You can make it small, as small as possible. So the highlight here will be the name of the company, and then the niche topic, the highlight of the products. This is the year of the brochure of the flyer made, so people will know that it is the latest version of the flyer. Let's make it blue. Well, I don't think the first picture is good enough, so I would like to find another picture. Oh no, this one. Just find a good picture with good colors. Then choose one with the white background. It will look not too good, just like what I did just now. Just use the real picture, just like this. So it is a real picture of the product. No white background. Just put it here. Crop it into square. Rotate it, or you can use this to scale. You want to zoom it or to zoom out, and it's based on your preference. Let's find the logo for your Facebook, Instagram, and other else. For recommendation, you can pick the one from Wikipedia. It is a PNG, so you don't have to delete the background first. It's already deleted. And try Instagram too. Just find from Wikipedia. I'll put the link in the description, so you just need to click it. Don't have to search it. Thank me later. Okay, make it small. Smaller again. Yep. Another logo. Just pretend like that the name of your Facebook and Instagram is the same, so you just have to put it between, oh no, the beside Okay, this one, and just write the name. It would be good if you have one name for all of your social medias, like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and so on. Just put one name so people will easily find your account, not having to type other, what is it, other names. This is grid view, just in case you need grid or rulers. You can adjust it. You can add the column, add the, just like that, horizontal or vertical lines based on your preference. I would like to search with the logo. Here, let's add Wikipedia to find the PNG. PNG is transparent background. So just add Wikipedia and you'll find one, and download and put it on the flyer, just like this. Make it as small as the Instagram and Facebook logos, and track it using position function as usual, and copy text, phone number. I guess it's too long to be a phone number. Just edit it. Okay, make it looks like real. Of course, your real company numbers. Don't put random numbers. And maybe you can add some stickers here, but for me, I don't want to use it. I just want to use shape. Just try the bottom one here. I never used it before, so this is the first time I'm using this shape. It looks good though, with gradient color. And let's zoom it. Zoom in. Okay, looks good. Pretty good. What do you think about this? Easy, right, to make flyer, brochure. Okay, give colors, or maybe gradient, white, and something like this maybe. And it looks more beautiful. So